Calling it.
Roly-poly, come out. Roly-poly. Rusty, go over there and help Roly-poly out. Come on, everybody. Help Roly-poly out. Tiny can't open that door by himself. Roly-poly, come out. Rusty, go help Roly-poly out. Go ahead. Go help Roly-poly. Roly-poly. Roly-poly, come on out. Tiny's really trying to help you out.
You're going to have to go open the door. They're getting down to a minute.
Watch out, Tiny. Oh, he disappeared. There you are. No wonder why you couldn't get it open. You have to be on the first level. Come on out. Come on, Roly-poly. Come on. You don't have to take my body. Just come on, Roly-poly. You don't even want to come out. Roly-poly, come out. Come on. Come on. Well, bye. He's trying to be smart, like, I knew I was doing.
I wasn't panicking.
You all were panicking.
All right, now he's out.
Let the mom get over there.